Worried about biological weapons? These deadly agents' history, risks, and potential future. Biological weapons, also known as germ warfare, involve the use of toxins or infectious agents that are biological in origin, such as bacteria, viruses, or fungi. These agents are used to incapacitate or kill humans, animals, or plants as part of a war effort. From the Assyrians infecting enemy wells with a rye ergot fungus to the British Army attempting to use smallpox as a weapon, the history of biological warfare is long and terrifying. The potential scope, unpredictability, and simplicity of these weapons are truly chilling. Today, the most likely organisms for bioterrorism attacks include anthrax, smallpox, plague, cholera, and tularemia. These agents have the potential to cause great harm and are fairly cheap to produce, making them appealing to terrorists. The risks and potential devastation of biological weapons are real. It's crucial to understand and address these threats to global security.